Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to Advanced Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, May 27th. What we see here in the Russell is a very resilient market. We're seeing these buyers still being maintained in terms of this upward pressure. We do look for that to continue. Asia is unchanged right now, and so follow through, right kind of angle, and not too far, too fast. Looks pretty healthy. We do look for follow through to the upside. Now, when it comes to the dollar, the Canadian dollar, ooh, it's getting cheap. And we see a setup here we've seen in the past in this market, but it didn't follow through. This is potentially bullish. It's what I call a false sense of security. You'll see it right back there. But there we didn't give a rally. So I'm looking for a sideways move in this market. There is a potential for a change in behavior. So you and I want to be sensitive to that if we're on the short side of that market. And when we look at bonds, yields came off, bonds are stronger. Look for that to continue to the upside. And copper. Copper traded below its sell level. Dollar difference there, $2,500 a contract. And I think it still has a potential to the upside. The fundamentals are very strong for that market. And when we look at corn, that's also a false sense of security. So be sensitive to that if you're on the short side. This could be a change in market direction. So nothing telling us to be a buyer at these levels other than we're approaching levels that we've seen buyers before. But we just want to be aware that this could provide that type of behavior. Right now, fundamentals are bearish for that market. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to being with you tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.